going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing fantastic. We're going to learn Heaven by Bryan Adams in under 3 minutes because that's what I do here. Just the shortest, most awesomest guitar lessons on YouTube. So this one is in C major. Let's get right to it. It goes, thinking about A minor, our younger years, G major. Play a regular G major. We were young, D minor to A minor, loud and free. And then it does this B flat. It's a B flat. You can bar it like this. Check the link in the description for the chord charts. And then I do this little, I'll tell you about that in a second. And then G major. And it does it again. C major, A minor, G. There's the strumming pattern for you. D minor, A minor. But it's over now. That's where I remove this little note right there to hit the open A string. It creates this little walk down. Ready? You keep me coming back for more, whatever the words are, G major. And here's the cool chorus. Ready? F and baby, you're G major, all that I want, A minor. In your C major, back to F major. I play with my thumb. F major, G, A minor. We're in heaven, back to G. F, G, A minor, C major, found it there in your heart, F major, it isn't to F, G, A minor, we're in heaven, G, and then it goes into the bridge after, it goes back to the verse and back to the chorus, and then it goes to the bridge, D minor. I've been waiting for, now this is cool, it's a C major with the open E string, like that note right there, which takes you to the F chord for so long, F, for something to G major to arrive, A minor for love to come along. Now take all the fingers off and put this finger on the second fret of the A string and try to hit the middle notes, C, D minor. So put that in slow-mo if you need to. Listen to the record. It goes through the, now our dreams are coming back to that C to F. Coming true through the good times and the bad. Now we go to C major, and then it goes, I'll be standing there by you, right when it rocks into the, solo on F major, and basically does the chorus kind of deal again, and then it rocks into the chorus one more time. Love is all that I want. C, F, same thing. It isn't too hard to believe. We're in heaven. So go rewind this video if you need to learn the chorus again, but F, G, A minor, C, F, F, G, A minor, we're in heaven, heaven, F, G, A minor, over and over and over again, and you get out your lighter and you just, tune into the 80s. Let me know what you think in the comments, hit like and subscribe on your way out, and I'll catch you next time for some super short lessons, the fastest, most amazing lessons on YouTube. See ya.